If you've ever wondered, what is that bird? Let Merlin help you unlock the mystery. Merlin is a new app from the Cornell Lab of Ornithology. It makes bird identification easier by showing you the birds in your own area that match what you've seen. Merlin asks you a few simple questions. When and where did you see the bird? What did it look like? And what was it doing? Almost like magic, Merlin shows you the most likely species for your area on that day. But these aren't wild guesses. Merlin knows which birds are near you by tapping into eBird, a database with millions of sightings from birders around the world. It finds out which species you're most likely to encounter and tailors results for your location. Browse Merlin's short list of photos to find your match. Once you know the name of the bird you've seen, a whole new world opens up. Listen to sounds. Learn more about where the species lives. Tell your friends about your new bird. Then, go find another bird to identify. Merlin helps you to explore the most familiar birds in the United States and Canada. Whether it's your first time watching birds or whether you've always wanted to learn more, Merlin is ready to help. Download this free app from the Cornell Lab of Ornithology today.